Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about 5 methods to insert new rows and columns in Excel. The first method is to go to Home tab, click on Insert, and from the drop down menu you can use these two options to insert new row or column. In the second method, select the cell above or to the left of which you want to insert row or column. Press the right mouse button, go down and click on Insert. A small window pops up. From this window, select the desired option and click OK. And in our third method, we'll use a shortcut to open that small window that we just accessed in the previous method by clicking on Insert from the right-click menu. Press Ctrl, Shift and plus keys together and it will open the window. This method is a little easier than the previous one. However, if you need more convenience, then you can move on to the next two methods. In this method, we need to add two options in the Quick Access toolbar up here. For that, click on File, go to Options, and in Options, look for the Quick Access toolbar on the left side. Click on it. From this drop-down menu, select All Commands and wait for all the commands to load. Now go down and search for the following two options in the list of commands. Click on the first option, click on Add. Then click on the second option and click on Add again. Now click OK. The two commands are now available in the Quick Access toolbar. You can use these commands for the desired function. The fifth method is again a shortcut. Press and hold Alt. While holding Alt key, press I once, then press R to insert the row. To insert the column, press and hold Alt again, press I and then press C. So these were the 5 ways to insert new rows or columns in Excel. Please share in the comments which one you found most straightforward. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.